Hello everyone, let us solve the following. An observer of height 1.8 meters is 13.2 meters away from a palm tree. The angle of elevation of the top of the tree from his eyes is 45 degrees. What is the height of the palm tree? Okay, so we need to find the height of a palm tree which is observed by a person of height 1.8 meters at an angle of elevation of 45 degrees from his eyes. Right? So, what is given? The height of the observer as 1.8 meters. The distance between the observer and the palm tree is 13.2 meters. Angle of elevation of the top of the tree is 45 degrees from the eyes of the observer. Okay, so if you clearly observe this total scenario, we can identify the combination of a rectangle. If you see here, this one, this part, and the triangle, obviously this triangle becomes a right angled triangle. Okay, with an acute angle 45 degrees here. Okay, and this is the right angle triangle and this is the rectangle. Obviously this side and this side will be equal, and this part and this part are equal. Okay, right, when we are able to imagine in the form of a picture, it is easy for us to find out. We need to find out the height of the palm tree, right? Yes. Now, in the above diagram, we have shown the height of the observer as AB, right? And distance between the observer and the palm tree is shown by BD. Okay, and AE. Of course, I told no the scenario, total scenario is in the form of the combination of a rectangle. We are considering this as AE. Okay, and this is nothing but BD. Of course, BD and AE are equal. Okay, and AB and ED are also equal. Okay, and the distance between the observer and the palm tree is shown by BD and AE, and also shown the height of the palm tree by CD, total height of the palm tree. Right. So we have also shown the angle of elevation by 45 degrees. This one. Okay. Right now, so let us assume the height of the palm tree as x, total height of the palm tree as x. You can see from the above diagram that AB is equal to ED, AB is equal to ED. So the length of ED is equal to 1.8 meters. How can we write? Because AB is nothing but the height of the observer. Height of the observer is given 1.8 meters. So ED is also equal to 1.8 meters. There is no doubt. Okay. From the above figure, we can also write that the addition of CE and ED is equal to the height of the palm tree. It's clear. CE plus ED is equal to CD. That is nothing but the height of the palm tree, which is equal to X. We have assumed it as X. Okay. Right. Now, if you see, triangle CEA becomes a right angled triangle. Okay, triangle CEA is a right angled triangle. Okay, so we have already taken ED value as 1.8 meters. Now we need CE value to find out the height of the tree. Okay, so let us apply trigonometric ratio of tan theta. Okay, so how can we find tan theta? Tan theta is nothing but opposite side by adjacent side to the angle theta. Here theta is nothing but 45 degrees, that is the angle of elevation of the palm tree from the eyes of that particular person. Okay, so we are calculating with respect to this 45 degrees only. Okay, so tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side, so it becomes opposite side to 45 degrees is nothing but CE, and adjacent side is nothing but AE. Okay, but what we know, theta is 45 degrees and we know tan 45 is equal to 1. Right. So tan 45 is equal to CE by AE. AE is nothing but 13.2. How did we write this one 13.2? Because BD is equal to 13.2, which is the distance between the observer to the palm tree, and again it is equal to AE. That's why we are substituting AE value as 13.2. Here in this point we should be clear. Okay, so CE by 13.2 is equal to 1. CE is equal to 13.2 into 1, that is nothing but 13.2 meters. So we are able to find out CE value, which is nothing but 13.2. But what did we write? We have taken CD or CD of the palm tree as the height. See, height of the palm tree as CD, and it is nothing but X. Okay, so here if you see, we know CE plus CD is equal to CD, and CE value we have taken 13.2, we have found out as 13.2, and ED is 1.8 meters. So CD is equal to X is equal to CE plus ED, that is equal to 13.2 plus 1.8, that is nothing but 50. So finally, the height of the palm tree is 15 meters. Okay, we are able to find out the height of the palm tree by simply applying, the trigonometric ratio of tan theta. So, whatever the given data is, we need to imagine in the form of a diagram. The whole scenario will be seen, and we can easily find out by using trigonometric ratios and identities. Okay. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Thank you.